Welcome guys to Sunshine Honeybee's channel. Thank you for stopping over. So tonight I'm coming to you guys. I would like to present BEEBEE Craft Store. These are products that I was allowed as a corporation, and I will be showing, displaying crafty items I have created using the products from BEEBEE Craft Store. Please shop and stop over to BEEBEE Craft Store. They have a lot of products in there, crafty products, jewelry, beads, gems, all kinds of items. So stop over there and pick up some stuff. The prices are really good. So I'm going to let you guys see. It is BEEBEE Craft. So stop on over. So these are items that were given to me. I will list my items below. But I'm just going to show you. So this is my unboxing for BEEBEE Craft Store. Okay, so the first thing I received was that I picked this ring set, and it comes in a plastic as usual, but I love how it comes in this cute little case where you can have everything all in one area and everything is kept together. So in this box here, you get like 4 different or 5 different types of flowers in here that you can utilize with other elements. So these are the flowers, but it is to make some rings. And you get these 2 colors here. It's like a silver. And then it has the clash on the bottom if you need to make it smaller or larger. And then you have like this brown bronze one. Okay. And you have, again, all of these different flowers that you can use here on top. So that's for the ring set. Next, I received a bag of these wonderful sashes, and I chose pink because pink is one of my favorite colors, guys. And this bag is a drawstring, as you can see, so you can use it for a lot of different things, crafty stuff. You can put adhesive in here as a gift. You could put glue in here. You also can put jewelry in here. You can make this a candy bag for Halloween. You could do so many different things with this. Different decals can go on it. So it's like a burlap type of cloth. Really nice, guys. Really nice. I love these bags. And you get a good amount. You get like 30 in a pack. And I think it's like maybe $10.50 for it. That's an awesome price for 30 of these. Okay. Next, I have these cute flowers. And they're like metallic colors. And they also like aluminum, if you can see. They're like aluminum. So you get a variety of colors. These will be really awesome to put on your bows, to put on your flowers in the center. I think those will be really awesome to have. You could put them just on different projects. You can use these on canvas, which will give it a pop. Next, I received these flat back gems, and there's like a blue. So it comes in this cute little plastic container cover here. And you get like 12 different colors. And this is so easy to carry when you go on your little craft trip. You can open it up and it comes out. It has an opening there. So you can go to whatever color and just twist this as much as you want and get what you need out of here. But look how flat and pretty this is, just to be able to carry on a craft date or something. You don't want to carry too much. My last final item is this cute tin box. I love the fact that it has a window because you can kind of design the inside of the box and then just add other things. You can kind of make this a shaker if you wanted to, and put a magnet on the back to make it like a magnet so that you can shake it and so forth. Really cute. So when you take the top off, you do have a good amount of space here inside, as you can see. It's a lot of good sides and to put stuff in here. I can actually use this for some ephemera pieces. I can make like a little crafty gift box if I wanted to. So those are the items that I have picked. These are the items that BEEBEE Craft store has sent to me. I thank them very much. And so I'm gonna come up with my project share, and you'll see the items that I created with the items that was given to me and that I had chose, which was the burlap bag in pink, these wonderful metallic flowers that feel like aluminum, also this ring set that I have here, also some bling, flat back gems, and also a box, a tin box with a window. So guys, thank you for stopping by, and please go over to BEEBEE Craft store, and if you go to BEEBEEcraft.com, then you'll be able to find it and go and shop, go and check out their store. Thank you so much for stopping by, guys. I hope you enjoy your evening. Thank you.